Transform your layered Photoshop masterpiece into a versatile PDF, ready for anything. Let's get started. Open your Photoshop project. Then navigate to the File menu at the top of your screen and select Save As. In the Save As dialog box that appears, you'll see a Format drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal all the available file types. Scroll through the list and choose Photoshop PDF. This is our key to saving in the PDF format while keeping Photoshop in mind. Now a new dialog box, Save Photoshop PDF, will pop up here. You have several options for now. Let's focus on the general settings. You have options for compression, which can help reduce file size. But for preserving quality, we'll often leave these at their defaults unless specified. This next step is crucial for future editing. See the checkbox labeled Preserve Photoshop Editing Capabilities. If you check this, your PDF will retain its layers and text, allowing you to read it in Photoshop later. If you uncheck it, the PDF will be flattened, saving space but losing editability. Once you've made your selection, click the Save PDF button. Photoshop will then process your file. And there you have it. Your layered design is now a PDF. Remember, preserving editing capabilities is great for your own workflow, but unchecking that box ensures maximum compatibility for sharing with others or for printing if you don't need to make further changes in Photoshop. Mastering PDF saving in Photoshop opens up a world of possibilities for your creative projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Photoshop tips.